Are you ready? I'm ready! Are you ready?
Let's make that up or is that on there?
What's a pirate's favorite letter? I have no idea. You think it's R, but it's really C. Boom.
Ahoy!
Say ahoy, mateys.
Ahoy, matey.
Give me an ahoy!
Ahoy, matey.
We're being boarded by
Pirates. Arr, where be your booty?
You can't come to steal anything and everything.
I don't think we have anything you want to steal.
Take this. You can take Shrapnel. Wobbly chair time. Yes.
Is anyone going to stop him from taking a chair?
Do you really want to?
All fear the sexy maiden.
Fear the sexy maiden.
As long as you're not taking the women or Mr. Shrapnel.
Arr, mutiny.
Botswana.
Arr! No cell phones for the pirates.
Stop blowing holes in my ship.
Yar.
She's knocking on the door.
Oh, the pirate's good.
Ready? Here we go. Ask me, parties.
Ahoy!
We're here to win these booty.
Aha! And to what right do you have for this booty?
Our right.
Your pirates have their own rights, correct?
Yeah.
And what will you do with this booty?
Split it between ourselves.
Bury it somewhere, I hope.
Maybe.
In a time capsule to open up 50 years from now.
Good. What class are you in? Tell me about this.
We're in the Pirates of the Barbary class,
Yeah.
and today is International Talk Like a Pirate Day.
Yes.
So our project is to plunder booty from different spots on campus.
Oh, good, good. And where else have you been?
You're the first stop.
Ah, well then.
So
Then I have some booty for you. And, all right, it has a spyglass. Yes, and it has some gold doubloons. It has several spyglasses and lots of gold doubloons, and maybe a treasure map. And then obviously, because pirates are highly educated, pencils for writing poetry, I'm sure.
Yar, thank you.
Have fun.
Arr.
Arr.
It's a pirate's life for me.
And really bad eggs. Drink up me hearties, yo ho. Yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life. Ah! How many?
Where ye treasure be.
We are part of a pirate group.
Ahoy!
You're all going to watch the bloody plank. How about that?
That's good.
For 100-year-old alumni, I'm too busy today. Can this be constituted?
That is pretty cool. I like that.
There's 16, right? In groups of 5. I put everything out. Should we give something back?
No.
No.
What?
I'll cut off your bloody hand. And here, there's something extra. Whoa!
Thank you.
Me replacement eye.
We don't say thank you.
Arr.
See what's in that thing?
What do we got in this thing?
Gold doubloons.
Yes!
What else are we buying?
And a pirate activity sheet.
You get a bunch of chocolate coins.
Ye been pillaged.
What am I supposed to arm?
Yeah.
Arg!
Just bust it. terrible was going to happen. I just knew it. My day was going too well. My day was going too well. Arr. Ahoy, mateys. Oh no, don't plunder. Alright. You have to find it yourself. I'm not that wimpy of a captain. There's actually more than that. There's something for your skirting in this room, by the way. Something for your skirting. Oh, you found it. Okay, good. No more scurvy.
No more scurvy.
No more scurvy in history. What is this? 130? 230?
130?
240? 220?
120?
There's actually more there. You should,
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
Telling you this? I might as well just hand you my treasure.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, the computer is college property.
Oh.
So you're pirates in history 140. Right? Are you reading primary sources or secondary sources?
Secondary.
So 240, history 240, Pirates of the Caribbean and Barbary.
Pirates of the Barbary.
Caribbean, yes.
Yep.
And you're looting.
You still?
Yeah, actually, hey. You can have that, and you can have these too. These have been sitting on the desk for many years. And I'd like to get rid of them now. You can take Tyler if you want.
You know what? What is pleasure? I'll pass it.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm not picking on you. You can take Ian if you want. It's Ian. You can take. I mean, Ian.
I did not sign it.
Come with. Steal him.
Arr. How are you enjoying your kidnapping, Arr?
I don't know. It's kind of funny, I guess.
What is your name? What year are you?
I'm a freshman.
Ah, freshman.
This does not count as hazing.
Yeah.
It counts as hazing.
No, it doesn't.
Well, he is a willful participant in our kidnapping.
Yes.
Are the elevator.
I knew the sword. Magic transportation.
My ship's faster than thee.
A vast human contraption.
Ahoy!
Yarr.
Oh my gosh! First floor of the Barbary!
Can we run out yelling R? Please, we have to make some sort of commotion.
And we wait.
R.
I hope they don't get mad.
Just tell them we'll bring it back. And we'll just hold that. Yarr is our team now.
R.
I shouldn't have stole your loot. I tried to kill you in your sleep. Send him overboard.
We are the pirates of the Sexy Maiden. We have come to steal from you.
Oh, M&M. I shall take these M&M.
Oh. Gather the M&Ms.
I love it.
Gather them all.
I
Wow.
love it. Shiver me timbers.
What do pirates wear in the winter? Long john. Yarr.
We've commandeered a ship and one of the mates.
I'm saving the booty.
What are we supposed to get rid of? I've been anxious for this all day.
The booty?
Tangerine? Is that what it is? A little cutie? That's what it is.
What the fight me for? What are you doing?
Huh?
You put down your sword.
I did.
Pick it back up. That and Daryl.
I like to
Take the
use.
sword and cut him in two.
Yeah, give me 2.
Yeah.
You gonna hold this?
Oh.
Be a pathetic pirate bite this is.
Oh no, I don't know if I can do 2.
I'm already slow.
Jack your booty.
Yes, please.
Ah, you defeated me.
Oh, we got some tattoos. That's sweet.
From the count of 3, y'all say R. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
I was gonna go hand it out to everybody.
I
Oh,
want some pirate booty.
Yee.
Right.
So yes, this is my kid's parade candy. They get way too much every year. I don't know how. I don't play the. I don't know anything about the parade candy. Some of it might be. You never know how old it is. You get something that's.
Is that all we're doing? Is that all we're doing?
Are we good?
Booty obtained.
We got the map here.
They have enough candy.
Thank you very much.
Blow me down!
Arr! The hardest working mate on the crew.
Got anything else? Say, that's my ship.
That's my shit.
All right.